building and operating a plasma chamber to coat glass with copper. First we need a vacuum chamber and a vacuum pump. The glass target is placed on the steel ring and held in place with copper wire. Then the complete assembly is going in the vacuum chamber. Plasma gets really hot, so we have a base plate of brass that can take the heat for quite a while. And also a fan. The base plate rests on this massive heatsink where I cut a hole in the middle. In this hole I'm placing a pair of strong magnets. And then we stack everything together. And my favorite part, the power supply. A variable voltage supply directly connected to a big microwave oven transformer. Then we have a full bridge rectifier. Connect the positive on the top and the negative to the base plate. And the plasma chamber is ready to test. We are starting the vacuum pump. And we start to raise the voltage until the plasma appears. The magnetic field concentrates the plasma at the base plate. We can see a purple ring appearing. Isn't it beautiful? The base plate can be exchanged easy from copper to titanium to graphite or even molybdenum. I tried every metal I had and I made a lot of tests. I tried different combinations of voltages and runtime. These are older samples that are a little bit scratched up. You can protect the clear areas with stickers that you remove after the sputtering process. Maybe this looks familiar to you. Aluminium does not work at all. Here is a piece of conductive bamboo. And ceramics are also no problem. This is the operating voltage of the plasma chamber in action. And with 50% power, so please do not try this at home, because this power supply can kill you in an instant. This is just a prototype and I'm an electrical engineer. I made this project to answer the question if it's possible to sputter without argon, just with normal atmosphere. The answer is yes, but I only managed to do copper. In the future I will keep on testing different materials and I would love to hear suggestions in the comments. Have a nice day and goodbye.